Birdie shouldn't be in this house.
Clark, what do you got to say?
There's a bird in the house.
Reporting live from the lake house. On our way to church, we discovered that there's a bird in the house. Don't cut to the bird. Have a Christmas spirit.
Open the doors. Open the doors.
No, well, the bird's got the eyes of another bird flying in.
So be nice to the bird, Dad.
See, I didn't get upstairs.
He's back on the fan?
He's upstairs.
He's upstairs!
Continue documenting. This is up there. This is up there with the firecracker.
I feel like I need to follow it up the stairs. Down with the pole. Down with the pole.
Oh, he's up here in the, look out. He's on the chandelier. You got it?
Oh shit.
Get out of the way.
I'm recording this documentary.
We need to get a fishing net. We need to go down the dock, get the net, get him caught in it.
Why don't we have a coat? Just throw a coat on it.
Oh, on top of the chandelier.
Fishing net's a great idea though.
It's back on the chandelier.
No, I've got to go down to the dock. I've got to go down to the... Ah!
No! Dad just hit me with the broom.
Where is it?
Jules laughing. Let's go back. It's up here.
Where is it at?
I'm going to try to keep it away from up here.
Wait, I'm going down the
Oh,
dock.
there it goes.
Rick, I'm going down the dock and get the fishing net. I'm going down the dock and get the fishing net.
Yeah, that's fine, but it's not going to do me good unless it's low. You don't drink your low.
Wow! Jesus!
Now it's just alternating
It
between...
buzzed my head!
That's fine. But now he's running, or he's flying back and forth. Rock me, come here. It's not...
Where'd it go?
On top of the...
Oh, I see
in
it.
there. Yeah, right there.
It's up on that thing. Come on, Dad.
Yeah. Do you want me to go get the...
We're at the zoo, Jules. Okay. Here, be careful with the, don't lean over the banana.
I'm not. I'm just trying to block it from coming over here. Oh, good. Are you ready?
I mean, no. There's no way this works.
Where's the bird?
Up here.
Why did you
Here, do you want to go to the other side and...
Why did you back to the church?
Oh, shit. Oh, God, we almost got it!
It's back to the window.
I think I just snorted. Juliet, terrified. Okay. I got a lot of mud in my shoes.
Don't hurt it.
Mommy's laughing.
Back to the window.
I think I just snorted. Juliet, terrified. Okay. I got a lot of mud in my shoes.
Don't hurt it.
Mommy's laughing.
Why are you in the bathroom? The bathroom door should be closed.
Because the problem is that...
Hey, Hey, Mom, we need to get some carpet cleaner. My shoes are dropping some mud right now.
What do you got?
I'm
Where is he?
We don't know. I don't know.
We don't have a visual.
He's still up there. He's not flown down.
Oh, there I see him.
taking my shoes off because I'm causing issues.
He's on the chandelier here. Here he goes.
Oh, God.
Oh, leave him. Leave him. Leave him, Kara. Leave him.
I'm leaving him. I'm leaving him.
Oh!
I thought I had him.
Alright, wait a minute. Yes, give me the
We got him!
Alright, just get there.
I need something flat.
Alright.
Paper plate! Cardboard!
A box. A side of a box. A side of a box. A piece of cardboard. Something flat and hard.
Alright,
My husband's the hero.
Wait, say that again. We need to capture.
My husband, the hero.
He's terrified.
He is terrified.
I'm not finding cardboard, Rick. Like,
Mom, you just threw out a box.
That'll work.
yes, give me the
We got him!
Alright, just get there.
I need something flat.
Alright.
Paper plate! Cardboard!
A box. A side of a box. A side of a box. A piece of cardboard. Something flat and hard.
My husband's the hero.
Wait, say that again. We need to capture.
My husband, the hero.
He's terrified.
He is terrified.
I'm not finding cardboard, Rick. Like,
Mom, you just threw out a box.
That'll work.
Here, you have that lid
That's
there.
going to work. How do you do? Do you need a chair?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
you need a, he's
That's
bringing a
perfect.
ladder. He's bringing a ladder.
Okay.
Here. Do you want me to stand up there, Steve?
Wait.
Hold on, stand by. We got it! We got it! Ghostbusters!
Oh my god.
Right behind you. Look at it. Oh, it's getting away. Jules, want to come watch? We're gonna let him go.
Well beyond the car.
He's gonna come flying right back in the house.
Toys on closing the door.
All right, ready? Ready, Jules? 1, 2, 3, bye, friend.
Yay!
We're right back to the window.
Documented.
Get
Cl-
close the door.
Clark! How do you feel, Clark?
What's the other door?
Clark?
The birdie's all gone. Good job, Steve.
Clark? Can you please
How are you feeling?
comment?
That's unbelievable.
Kelly?
I have no words. This is just classic. Stacey, wish you were here.
Wait, what? Say that again.
Stacey, wish you were here. Don't get a comment from Mom.
Karen? Karen Clark Griswold, how do you feel? I think that sums it up, folks. I think it sums it up. Mom is in hysteria. Rick is grabbing something. Folks, there's no bird in the house. No bird.
Bird free since 2014.
Steve, how do you feel after capturing the beast?
Like the top end of the food chain.
Okay.
Hero! He's our hero!